Number 1 on Vacuum Wars. Perfect 100% pet hair score. 3.13 inches thin. The Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete just dethroned every robot vacuum on the market. Here is if it earns that crown. What can handle? Pet hair and carpet pickup earns 9.6. Vacuum Wars recorded 0% hair wrap and a perfect 100% flattened pet hair score. The only robot vacuum to achieve both in independent testing. Hard floor suction scores 9.2. 35,000 Pascal Vormax suction picking up virtually everything in a single pass on kitchen crumbs, fine dust, and coffee grounds. Obstacle avoidance scores 9.1. Dual AI cameras recognizing over 280 object types with 0.1 second response confirmed at CES 2026. App setup scores 5.3. Setting sensitive configuration requiring patience before cleaning performs correctly. Daily performance. Ultra-thin reach earns 9.3. 3.13 inches with retractable LiDAR reaching under sofas, beds, and TV stands that block every competing robot confirmed across Vacuum Wars and inspect aspect testing. Threshold climbing scores 9.1. ProLeap 2.0 crossing 3.47-inch thresholds covering door sills, thick rugs, and bathroom lips without intervention. Mop performance scores 8.8. 230 RPM dual pads at 15 Newton downforce with 104-degree heated mopping and dock washing at 212 degrees, eliminating bacteria arrivals only approximate. Battery and charge scores 8.4 with 6,400 milliamp hours and 80-minute fast charge from 9 to 80%. User experience. Autonomous operation value earns 9.2. Self-empty, self-refill. Mop self-wash at 212 degrees, self-dry, and dirt detection returning to mist spots combined to make this the closest thing to a fully autonomous floor care system available. Voice and app integration scores 8.1 covering Alexa, Google, and Siri with scheduling, zone cleaning, and real-time monitoring. Wi-Fi limitation scores 5.8. 2.4 GHz only in 2026 is a genuine gap when most flagship smart home devices support 5 GHz. Priced arrivals value scores 6.4 as the Roborock Saros 20 matches suction at $300 less for buyers who do not need the ultra-thin profile. Who it's for? Pet owners with low furniture earn 9.6. 0% hair wrap, perfect carpet pet hair score, and the only ultra-slim robot reaching under low beds and sofas with 35,000 Pascal suction is an unmatched combination. Large complex home owners score 9.2, where navigation efficiency, threshold crossing, and whole home coverage on one charge matter most. Buyers wanting plug-and-play score 5.3. The app requires careful configuration before the robot performs at its rated level. Budget-conscious buyers score 4.6. The Dreame L50 Ultra delivers 80% of the performance at roughly half the price. Is it worth it? Pet home flagship value earns 9.6. Number 1 Vacuum Wars ranking. Perfect pet hair score, ultra-thin design, and most complete self-cleaning dock in the category. Navigation and reach value scores 9.3. App and Wi-Fi value scores 5.3. Price versus alternatives scores 6.4. The CineTech overall score for the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete is 8.9 out of 10, 4.5 stars. The most capable robot vacuum ever independently tested. Buy it for pets and low furniture. Budget time for the app setup.